Hey everyone, TechRex here with me I have the Samsung Galaxy S5. This is a perfectly fine S5. It is cracked from the drop test that I had with also one minor nick, as you can see in this corner, but everything else works perfectly fine. Back cover looks great, and if you guys have seen my previous iPhone 5s boiling hot water test, you guys might have known it survived for about 14 to 17 seconds long. And considering the S5 is water resistant, I can only assume it can do at least a little bit better. But of course, you know, you can't really rely on that because it's when the battery is fried, it's fried. So let's just go ahead and do this. Pull up the stopwatch. Just got to be really careful, as you guys saw in my last video. Also, had a little issue with the battery. Anyways, though, enough talking. I'm just gonna hit start and I'm gonna let it go. So. It's a little late. Okay. Let's just watch this. You guys can't even see that. It's currently at 12 seconds. 14, 15, 17, 18, 20. Just want to make sure you guys can see that. It is a little bit tough. Almost at 30 seconds now. 30 seconds. 33. This is doing really well. Almost at 40 seconds. Can we just get to a minute? I would be honestly truly amazed if it can get up to a minute without any issues with the display. And considering the screen is cracked, that's pretty amazing. It's 55. Not smelling anything, so I think we're good too. It just hit a minute, so I'm gonna try and show you guys a little better view. It's really difficult because the water is just really deep, but it is over a minute now. I'm gonna see what happens if I go ahead. Oh, flip it. Just boiling some Galaxy S5 for breakfast. No big deal. Okay. Wow. That is amazing. I'm sure we're over 2 minutes now. What does it say here? 7 applications have been closed. Your device is overheat. Yeah, just keep overheating. That's not what I want to know. Okay. No. Don't get in there. Okay. So I guess what they meant by water resistant is I'm assuming it could just survive extremely burning hot temperature, because I mean this is absolutely amazing. Probably going over 3 minutes now, and display is still working. So I'm going to go ahead and actually get this out, and I'll show you guys what's up with that. Okay guys, so I just rinsed it with some cold water, and it just a moment ago underneath here it said your device is overheating again, but and I do feel like it's getting hot again even after rinsing it with cold water, but it does seem to be slowly functioning again. Although I do feel like it's trying to do something on its own. As you can see right there, it's pressing different things. I don't know what it's trying to do, but I'm going to go ahead and check if the stopwatch is still playing. Or if it's still running. If I can. Whoa. Okay. This is, oh man, this is amazing. It's like a movie. What is this? Can I go back to the regular screen here? Alright guys, I think that might have just finished it off. I think that was the sign that I am now dead. But I do feel that I still feel like the buttons are somewhat working because I'm hearing things. But anyways, that's pretty much it, guys, for the Galaxy S5 boiling hot water test. As you can see, for now the screen is not working. Will it later on? I don't know. But thanks for watching, guys, as always, and stay tuned for more videos, guys. Peace out.